So guys, all you have to do is just download that black tone preset for your mobile Lightroom and just copy it to your smartphone. Now when you will copy and just open the Lightroom and just click on this plus icon on the bottom screen, just click on the three dots, unselect the JPG and videos, only select the raw file or the preset file which are present in your computer or the this smartphone gallery. So here is the preset, that is black tone preset. Just click on the add button, so it would be added to our old photos. So click on the old photos. When you will open this photo and just click on the three dots and select the copy settings and hit OK. Now go back and let's open some of the photos from here. Let's take this photograph. Just click on the three dots and just select the paste settings. Let's try it on this photo and just select the paste setting and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really giving your photo an amazing look. Let's try it on this photograph. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It will actually make your photos to look very much perfect black effect. So you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, you can use this preset in your computer also with the help of PC Lightroom, which I have also given you from the links down given in the description. So you can just download it for free. Also you can just download the camera preset for your Photoshop. Alright guys, so you can use this for free from our website. So guys, you can see the difference. It is really an amazing preset. So guys, with the help of this preset you can just turn your photos to kind of creative look and make your Instagram feed to a next level. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.